Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to go live on TikTok from PC. Let's get started. First, before anything, you must meet the TikTok's live requirements. For the gaming creators, you need to have at least 1,000 followers. For non gaming creators, usually 10,000 followers. And also, you must be 18 years or older. If you meet this, you can access the TikTok live on PC. Here, you can download the TikTok Live Studio. The TikTok uses a program called TikTok Live Studio for PC streaming. Open the Google Chrome and search for the TikTok Live Studio. And here, go to the official TikTok website and click download. Sign in to your TikTok account if asked. Click download again to start installer. And for the installation of the application, open the File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Double click the TikTok Live Studio installer and follow the installation steps. And once finished, open the program. When the app opens, log in using your TikTok account details, and after logging in, you'll enter the Live Studio dashboard. And here you can add what viewers you will see. You can add sources like webcam, microphone, game capture, screen capture, and more. And once everything looks good, click the live button or go live. And your stream will now start broadcasting on TikTok. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.